Another exciting moment on another event that June 16, whereby we were commemorating Youth 76. Pastor Muswarambatha lona engaging live. More Than Music. Go to YouTube channel, like, subscribe. More Than Music. TikTok account, Engaging Live. That's where you'll find us. Now, one of the organizers here today's event, La SCIC, should brief us through which from Eskolweni, share the walk, not the share walk of freedom, share the walk till here, AOT Mall. Nibonile nani the speeches and handing over to for sanitary towels and Impahla, which are in good condition. All I can say is kudos to you, CIC. Greetings, my leader.
Greetings, how are you?
Ninjani.
Ngiyaphila wena.
Ngiyaphila. Naba babukeli nasi sizwe sikaNkulunkulu. Khuluma nawo.
Sanibonani, igama lami nguKeketso Hamutlou. From CIC, I'm one of the event organizers for this event today. This event, we wanted to reach out because Tina's believe Uguti Sonto is part of the community development.
Yeah.
So Tina, we wanted to reach out to our people to say, we want to empower lives, we want to make a difference in Abantu outside of Sunday. Let's not just make it about Sunday, but every day there's something, a seed that you must plant in our community so that we can change lives.
Wow. Speaking of changing life, I see the community at large, especially Mfulo, it's here. How did you guys mobilize the community? How did you guys have a strategy of such an exquisite event within now? How much power did you pull till today?
Okay. So what we did was we went to Jozi FM, we spoke to them and asked them to announce it on radios.
Okay.
So this whole week after the lunch hour break, there was an announcement to come to Mfulo. We also mobilized in that we came into the community in a loud hailer.
Okay.
And invited the community as well to say this is what we are doing. We had invitations on social media, so we tried, even today, this morning, we mobilized as we were doing our work. Part of it was also mobilize the community to say come here, but we still went out food. Okay. And mobilize them to say, guys, come.
Yeah, well.
We want to make a difference with community. It's important to Sonto must make a difference in the community ever Sonto.
True that, because Sonto in community itself.
Yes.
Looking back to Youth 76, they're marking 50 years today. Do you think what they were fighting for, checking today's youth, was it worth it?
In terms of the education, yes, but we need to work harder to get them to their mindset that the youth of 76 had 50 years ago.
Sure.
To say, Uguti, we need to fight for our rights to do the right things. It's so unfortunate, Uguti Manje, there's drugs that are infesting our communities with. So youth are going down. That's why Tina, we want to come out to the youth to say, there's hope for you. There's a tomorrow for you.
Yeah, sure.
Go back to what happened. That's why it's so important that it was done on this day.
Sure.
So that we say to them, what happened then can happen now.
Yeah.
Stand up, black child, and make a difference in your life.
Wow. Stand up, black child, and make a difference in your life. I could have not said more. Every Thursday, 6 and 9, good Sounds of Azania. That's where you catch up Engaging Live. Go to TikTok account, Engaging Live. YouTube channel, where you see Lomsebenzi Law. It's More Zion Music. Lapho ke uzobona uPastor Chris, uzobona sina Pastor Kundu, uzobona uJupiter with ama-thrillers akhe, with ama-segments akhe, with ama-interview akhe. uJupiter Mbana Wagam. Lalela, I had fun.
Thank you very much.
I enjoyed and I've learned intending.
Yeah.
All I can say, even other ministries can do what CIC did, planting back to a community. Yeah. I mean, Nagati Africa back to God. All I can say is, it's hard to find good people. If you find one, keep them.
Amen.
As Pastor Chris normally say, the Spirit of the Lord always flows upon the face of the deep.